This is a Bluetooth radio. Its charging port is not working. Let's open it and find out. At the end of this video, don't forget to give me a like. It really cheers up my day. I use the screwdriver to open up all the screws. After all the screws are loose, I opened the housing to expose the Bluetooth board. I pulled it out and started by charging the battery using my power supply because it had no power. As you all know, the positive is the red and the negative is the black. I bought a new USB cable which I will connect onto the PCB. I trimmed it well using a nail cutter to expose all the wires. After that, I disconnected the power supply wires which are charging the Bluetooth. Before soldering the wires, I had to determine the positive and the negative using a multimeter. I passed these wires through the hole of the red metallic housing. I then used the soldering gun to add some solder onto these wires so that they can easily be soldered onto the board. I then soldered the positive wire onto the diode. I took some time to find out the ground potential, which means the negative part on the board, and finally found it. I then soldered it using a soldering gun so that it fits as well. Then I added some sellotape and inserted the PCB back into its housing. After everything is done, I covered the housing and added all the screws. And now the last part is to test whether the radio charges. It turns out that everything works fine. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay creative and I'll see you next time.